Alright, so I got this Craftsman M250 160cc. I can't get it to crank for the life of me. Even got sprayed brake cleaner in here in the airbox. I'll show you what it does. That's as far as I can get. I've taken the carburetor apart. I've taken got a new fuel filter, new spark plug. I've looked at everything. Everything seems clean, but I don't know. I don't know what it is. So I've even taken the fuel filter out and put the fuel filter back in. It's clean. So I don't know what to do. If anybody has any suggestions or something, let me know. Because I don't know.